Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Simple Colors Spellbound and I'm going to do a silver spotted water marble and stamp on it. I've started off with IMK Peel Ease and here is Sinful Colors. And this one, I'm sorry you can't see it, Spellbound. It is beautiful. I guess it's more of a lavender and it's got like all this shimmer in it. It's just beautiful and the formula is fantastic. I love it. It's really good. I adore me some Simple Colors. Here we go with our first easy coat. Very nice, very easy. I am going to cap my free edge here. There we go. Got that first coat. Now we're going to go in with the second coat. And I adore this shade. It is so pretty. I do love me some purple and pink though, so you know. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Going to get it sealed down, dry up, so we can do some playing. Do some extra playing today. And I don't know if I'm calling that right, but I'm going to be doing the water marble spotted look, where you spray the alcohol. Hi Woody, how you doing? I don't even know what to call that technique, but that's what it's doing. I'll be using the IMK Peel Ease Peel Protect today, and this is OPI, and this is I Drive a Supernova. It's just a silver polish. You could use any silver polish. My 91% alcohol and a cup of water. So I did apply 1 drop, and now I'm going to squirt my alcohol probably about 4 or 5 times on this one. Trying to get it to break up really well. And I'm going to dip 2 fingers at a time today, since I'm not really going for any kind of perfect design or exact design. And now I'm going to run this little toothpick just to pick up a little bit of this extra. I'm not going to get all of it up, and it's okay if some of it gets on the nails. So there we go. I'm going to wrestle this latex off my fingertips here. And it is kind of hard to see this right here, right now, under this lighting and with my hands moving around so much, but the effect is definitely there and it's really cool looking in person. So I am going around with my cleanup brush and some acetone just to get this extra off of my fingers before I move on to the next nails. And yes, I got it everywhere. I got it all over the place. So here we go with the other 2 nails. We're going to do the same thing. 1 drop of polish and some squirts of alcohol. You can also use hairspray, perfume, things like that. Anything that's got like a high alcohol content will do this. I always use alcohol because I have a little squirt bottle of it in my room and it's right there and handy. So I dip down in and get some more of that excess out. And there we go. I'll be using this bubble image, and this is that You Are Beautiful, I believe, 01. That's it. I'll be using my beauty scraper and my AliExpress stamper, and this is Braves Diva black polish. Look at those bubbles. I love them. And it still lets the other image, the other effect from the spotted water marble to poke through. And I'm only going to do this bubble image on 2 nails. I'm going to do something different on the other 3. I really like this image though. I'm going to put that on my ring fingernail. Tapping it all down. And then I'm going to apply the Pro FX Sticky Base because I've already stamped 1 nail using this little image right here. And I was having some issues. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Sticky Base. And I'm using this little heart image. I love it. I think it's really cute. And I'm putting it up really close to the top of the nail. And I think it just adds a really cool effect. And with the heart having those circles at the top, I figured it would kind of work with the other circles that I used on the other nails. Using that little piece of tape to get any excess up that I don't want. And there we go. So I'm really digging this one. I really liked it. I know there was a lot of steps to it, but none of it was hard. I didn't have any issues with anything. Now I'm just going to get some of this excess up with the tape. And I only have to really do this on the ring nail and the thumbnail. I'll be using the IMK Peel Ease to kind of put a layer over this without smudging that stamping. And then when it's completely dry, I will be adding some more top coat. And today it looks like I am using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And there it is in motion. So I hope you like this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And that is it for today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.